everyone. All right, let's start our class now. It's 10:11. So let's start the class. Today's class is mathematics. It's Monday, so it's time for mathematics. And the book that we are using today is this one. We are using this book today. All right. Before we start, let's talk about the rules first. The rule in my class is very simple. Firstly, you have to mute your mic. Mute your mic first. If you don't have anything to say, just mute your mic. But if you have any questions or you want to answer, you can turn your mic on again. Very simple. All right, let's start our lessons right away. For small talk, number 5. When is your birthday? When is your birthday? For example, you can answer by saying, my birthday is on the 7th of January in 1998. Next question. Where do you live? Where do you live? You can answer, for example, I live in Buriram. I live in Buriram. Next question. How many people are there in your family? There are 3 people in my family. My father, my mother, and me. Next question. What does your father do? My father is
Doctor.
dentist. Very good, Jedi. Very good. Dentist. Next, what does your mother do? My mother is a
Teacher.
teacher. Very good. Next question. What do you do in your free time? In my free time, I watch a movie. In my free time, I read a book. Very good. In my free time, I go fishing. In my free time, I go fishing. Next one. What do you want to be in the future? In the future, I want to be a
Doctor.
doctor. Very good. Next question. May I have your phone number? You can answer by saying, sure, my phone number is something. Sure, my phone number is something. Next question. What is the name of your school? The name of my school is
School.
Very good. Skill and Jedi. Very good. Next question. What grade are you in? I'm in grade 2, section 2. Very good. I'm in grade 2, section 2. Next question. How many students are there in your classroom?
How many students?
There are
33 students in my classroom.
Very good. There are 33 students in my classroom. Very good. Next question. Who is your homeroom teacher? My homeroom teacher is teacher
Thalamani.
Very good. Teacher Patravadi. Teacher Patravadi. Next, who is your IEP teacher? Teacher? What is my name? Who is your IEP teacher? Very good. It's teacher Peach. Very good. Next question. Who is your school director? My school director is Sister.
ทิศบุญส่งปิสุวรรณ
Very good. Next question. Who is your close friend at the school? Who is your close friend at the school? My close friend is...
เดี๋ยวเจอกันเดี๋ยวเจอกัน
No? Alright. For example, my close friend is Jenny. My close friend is Jenny. Next question. What is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is mathematics. My favorite subject is mathematics. Next question. What time do you arrive school? I arrive school at 7 o'clock. I arrive school at 7 o'clock. What time do you arrive school? I arrive school at 7:30. I arrive school at 7:30. What time do you leave school? I leave school at 4 o'clock. I leave school at 4 o'clock. Or you can say, I leave school at 5 o'clock. I leave school at 5 o'clock. Next question. How do you get to school? I get to school by bus. I get to school by bus.
Bus.
I get to school by
Train.
train. Very good. I get to school by
Van.
van. I get to school by
Car.
car. Very good. I get to school on
Food. Food.
very good. I get to school on foot.
Food.
Now, next one we're learning today is what is the next subject to study? The next subject is mathematics. The next subject is mathematics.
Mathematics.
And what did you study in the previous class? In the previous class, I studied English. In my previous class, I studied English. Now, let's move to our lesson for today. Multiplication of two-digit number. This is the multiplication table. What is 5 times 3? 5 times 3 is 15. 4 times 6 is 24. Now, I have some trick for you. If it's the 9 column, 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 5. 9 times 5 is 45. 9 times 5 is 45. 9 times 6 is 54. 9 times 7 is 63. 9 times 8 is 72. 9 times 9 is 81. And 9 times 10 is 90. This is another trick for you guys. If you cannot remember the 9 multiplication. The 9 multiplication. All right. Now let's see the example. 2 times 4. 2 times 4 is 8. It's over here. It's over here. Let's find 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is over here. 3 times 3 equals 9. It's over here. Next, 5 times 5. Where is 5 times 5?
25.
25. Very good. Very good. It's over here. Next, 2 times 5. 2 times 5 is
10.
10. Very good. So it's over here.
10.
Number 2.
4.
2 times 2 is
4.
4. Good job. Here. Next, 3 times 2 is
6.
6. Can you find number 6? Where is it? It's over here. It's over here. Next, 6 times 2 is 7 times 2 is
14.
14. Very good, everyone. Now, let's move to our lesson. Multiplication without group in vertical method. Firstly, we multiply the ones. 4 times 1 is 4. Next, multiply the tens. 4 times 2 is 8. What about the horizontal method? 4 times 1 is 4. And 4 times 2 is 8. Next example, 5 times 1 is 5. And 4 times 1 is 4. And the horizontal method. 5 times 1 is 5. 1 times 4 is 4. Easy peasy. Next example. 2 times 2 is 4. And 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 2 is 8. So the result for this one is 84. Let's look at the horizontal method. We have to multiply the ones first. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 4 is
2.
8. 2 times 4 is 8. So the result is 84. Next example. 3 times 3 is 9. And for the tens, 3 times 3 is
9.
9 as well. Very good. And the same go for the horizontal method. Just change the position. It's 99. Very good. Next. Without the regroup. It's 8. And 1 times 4 is 4. Very good. So the result of this one is 48. The same goes for the horizontal method. It's 48. 2 times 3 is 6. What about 3 times 1?
3.
3. So the result is 36. The result is 36. Very good. Next. 7 times 5. Now we have a regroup. 5 times 7 is 30.
35.
Very good. 35. So we put the 5 on the ones column and put number 3 over here. Next step is 3 times 7 is 21. And 21 plus 3 is
24.
24. Good job. So the result of this one is 245. 245. The same goes for this one, for the horizontal method. Next, 2 times 6 is 12. Very good. 2 times 6 is 12. Next, 5 times 6 is 30. And we have the regroup here is
31.
Very good, boy. Very good. The result of this one is 312. Sorry, 312. The same goes for this one. 2 times 6 is 12. And 6 times 5 is 30. Plus 1 is 31. Next, 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 5 is 30. What about 5 times 5? It's 25 plus 3 is 28. 28. And the result of 56 times 5 is 280. 280. Next, 8 times 8 is
64.
64. Very good. 4 times 8 is 32. Plus 3 is
32.
30.
38.
38. Very good. Next. 4 times 8. It's 32. 4 times 1 is 4. Plus 3 is 7. Very good. Next, 9 times 5 is 45. 45. 9 plus 4 is 13. Sorry, it's 13. This one, I mistyped this one. It's 13. Very good. If teacher tells you to read this number sentence, you have to say 22 times 1 equals 20.
22.
Very good. 45 times 2 equals
90.
90. Very good. What is the product of 50 times 6? The product of 50 times 6 is
300
300. Very good. Next question. The product of 20 times 5 is 100. Very good. Are you ready to play the game? The same one. What is the result of this one? 87, 36, or 36? 36. That is correct. 36. Next, 23 times 4 equals 52, 92, or 53? 92 is correct. Very good. Next one, 18 times 4. 18 times 4. 70. 74. That's not correct. 72. Good job. 72. Next one. 16 times 5. 80, 20, or 41? It's 80. Very good. Next, 13 times 4. 52 is correct. Very good. Next one, 45 times 2. 90. That is correct. Now let's move to our book. Let's move to this one on page 43. Page 43. Very good. Page 43. Let's do this one together. 4 times 3 is? Wow. What about 5 times 7? It's 35. 35. What about 9 times 2?
90 นี่เอาอันนี้น่ะ
18. It's 18. What about 8 times 5? It's 40. It's 40. Next, 6 times 9 equals 54. Match the number.
คูณเลยดูคูณเลยเนี่ย52เป็น10
Finish?
yes
No.
52เป็น10ใส่0เท่านี้
Okay. Let's move to. Oh, all right. Take your time.
เขียนเต็มยังไม่ได้ทด1 2เป็น
Finish. Let's move to the next one. 5 times 2 is 10. 2 times 2 is 5. Yes? Oh, you didn't finish? All right, let's move to this one. Take your time.
okay
Finish?
finish
All right, this one again. 5 times 2 is 10.
I'm not finished
Okay, take your time. Easy peasy. Tell me when you finish. Finish?
Finish.
All right. Next one. 5 times 2 is 10. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Next, number 4. 7 times 8 is 56. 4 times 8 is
4 times 8.
32 plus 5 is 37. Finish? Take your
Finish.
time. All right. Next one. Number 2. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 5 is 25 plus 2 is 27. 27. Let's move to number 5. 9 times 4 is 9 times 4 is 30. 36. Very good. 4 times 1 is 4. Plus 3 is 7.
7.
Write it down. Finish?
Yeah. No.
Okay, take your time. Take your time.
Finish.
Very good. Take your time. Easy peasy today. This class is very easy. Finish?
Finish.
Let's move to the last one.
Finish.
8 times 3 is 24. 3 times 3 is 9. Plus 2 is
9 บวก 2 มันเท่าไหร่
11.
Go.
11.
ก็ใส่
Next, 6 times 9 is 6 times 9 is
6 บวก 9
54. 9 times 7. 9 times 7 is 63 plus 5 is 68. 68. So the result of this one is 684.
เลข6เขียนให้มัน
684. Finish?
Yeah.
Very good. All right. That is it for today, everyone. Do you have any questions?
No.
No questions. Then I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye bye. There's no
Thank you, teacher.